First of all, thank you Big Man too for opportunity, and secondly, thank you Moses Tuata, technical director chief, and Chief too for opportunity for coming live stream head coach Eddie. We are happy to mas for taking role and for a big task lo mital for leading team because I qualify, so we were happy and ready for targeting team. Yes, I think for me, Bami return back to career as a football, simple play back it. Soon as possible, if me get them things done for injury a little bit, then Bami back to fit. But now, after me got injured, so just come and help out with coaching and aim for a pathway too. So we start for making and building pathway so that if finish of football, then next part is coaching unusin. So we start to building coaching pathway para privilege masuk alongside lo Moses Tuata and Eddie Rukuman para akit masuk alongside setakat sabi itu masih take him out from side the coaching. So we were privileged to masuk ako itin